everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to set up a React Tailwind CSS and TypeScript project. First, open an empty folder in VS Code and launch the terminal. Run this command: npm create Vite at latest. Now it is asking to proceed. Type Y for yes. To work in the same folder, set the project name as dot. Now enter. Now choose a framework. Since we are using React, select React and hit enter. Then for the variant, select TypeScript plus SWC. Now npm install. This sets up your project folder. Now run npm run dev. Your app is now running on localhost 5173. You will see that React TypeScript and other dependencies are added in package.json file. Now React and TypeScript setup is done. Next, we will set up Tailwind CSS. Install it with npm install -d Tailwind CSS auto prefixer. Auto prefixer ensures your styles work across all browsers automatically. Then we have to initialize Tailwind. For that, the command will be npx tailwind css init -p. This will create a tailwind.config.js file in your project. Now copy the setup code into this file and add the following lines to index.css. Tailwind base components utilities. These load Tailwind's default styles. Now finally we will export a default basic function in app.tsx. As we work in TypeScript language, the file extension is .tsx. Now run npm run dev. Finally, we are ready to start adding Tailwind CSS styles. I am just giving a short demo of how it works. Thank you, everyone. Okay, now the whole setup is done. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel.